working on or out riding your bike, but I gotta let you know that your phone's ringing. Maybe you're at the poker table in the middle of a nut hand. Or you might be at the keyboard banging out a new ragtime classic.
It is so nice of you to drop in.
Is anybody out there? I'm telling you, your phone's ringing. Yeah, your phone's ringing.
It's ringing off the hook, even though there is no hook.
Now don't be so dumb and pick up your smartphone. Your phone's ringing and someone is dying to talk with you. Your phone's ringing!
Your phone's ringing. I know you're probably out riding the twisties. And man, that's pretty damned awesome. But when you get the chance and it's safe, answer the damn phone. Watch that curve now.
Phone's ringing! Your phone is ringing! Phone's ringing!
Dude.
A dude? Yeah, your phone's ringing? Hey, when you get a sec, you may want to pick up your phone. Yeah, you should know that your phone's ringing. Now, once you've pulled over to the side of the road and it's safe, pick up your phone!
Your phone.
You might want to pick it up.
While I do admire that you are ghosting your friends, it's still frightfully rude of you not to answer your phone. But when you get the chance, answer your phone. You never know. It could be your agent